YouTube, what it do? So listen to this. All that funness has been the hold up. All of it. It's still running, but yeah, it's been the hold up. Hours and hours and hours. I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to hear me cuss out a truck and motors and tools during the build, but I don't know. Maybe I'll start going in some build videos. YouTube, we out back at it. So it's a lot of mud out here today. Dirt's pretty ate up. It's super muddy out here. Slight splashes. Uh-oh, they're having a party.
Let me tell you this. The older you do get, the more rules are gonna try to get you to follow. You just gotta keep living, man. L-I-V-I-N.
Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends, so they love to get naughty. Sipping on that heat, I know you love that Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in the raw. Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends, so they love to get naughty. Sipping on that heat, I know you love that Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in the raw.
So it's a lot of noise out here, a lot of people, the most people I've ever seen. So I try to come out here to the back. We're gonna listen to the stock pipe, regular KTM pipe from the factory, and hear the difference between this and the FMF Turbincore 2, not the 2.1, the 2. It's a bit shorter, looks a little bit nicer. I hope the audio picks up good. It's an idle. The only thing done to the bike is I did do it, and I know I skipped a lot of stuff. I put my skid plate on the bottom and a TSP head and tune on the bike. Still sounds good, two-strokey. Pipe has a few dents in it, but I don't think that's going to make a huge difference. So let's go ahead and swap this pipe and the FMF and see if we can hear a difference. I was told there's not much of a difference, but I've heard them in person. They're a lot deeper, and that's kind of sound I'm going for. So I hope mine sound the same. How many people here? I don't see many dirt bikes. Generally, when there's like a quarter of this amount of people, I always see a handful of dirt bikes, but not today. All right, so if you're worried about how hard this is, or if you can do it on your own, there are literally 2 bolts, one here, one there. You can see it, and this just slips on. That's it. I'm doing it out here with toolbox from Walmart, and yeah, the new exhaust here. Turbincore 2. Man, that thing looks good. I can't wait to hear it. Give it a little wiggle, and it's already freed up. Give it a little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Off rip. This one's a bit smaller and shorter. And I hear the shortness of the pipe adds a little more. So there it is. The shortness of the pipe adds a little bit more like bottom end, a little grunt. So hopefully I can tell the difference, and I will let you know. Oh man, this is crazy. It looks so good. Oh wow. And this one also has a spark arrestor, so you can ride it in different state parks and different GNCC races. It's legal, so. This one does not have a spark arrestor from the factory. Why? And because of the kid and everybody always wants to hear how something sounds without the exhaust on the bikes, I'm gonna start this up for you. I'm not gonna go ride it or go wide open throttle. I don't want to damage anything, but let's hear. Oh, she's in gear. I knew it. I knew it. Okay. Yep, that doesn't. That sounds hilarious. Does not sound good at all. The exhaust comes with this kind of bushing spacer and a long bolt. So to remove these, you just simply pry off of it. Boom, did it with one hand. Just like that, she's out. Removing this, I just took these springs off. Don't know if it's making it any easier. You do have to kind of work it off, pry something inside, kind of loosen it up. Boom. Super simple install. 2 bolts, some grommets, bushings, and that front, just removing it, putting it onto the new one, and it's it. I mean, super simple, straightforward, easy, and it looks great. We have the Turbincore 2 on the dirt bike. I'm gonna be honest, it does not sound a whole lot different. I heard, and it was a carbureted bike that I heard before, it also had a front pipe, so maybe I need to get a front pipe and change that. But it doesn't sound, it's different. Just listen. It is a bit deeper. Just a bit. Sit rest. So it is a bit deeper. Everything else is maybe a hair louder on the top end. I'm gonna get that front pipe swapped out for you guys so we can take a listen and see if that's gonna make a big difference. Yeah. Oh, you gonna arm drop it? Hey, you want me to give you the head start on this one? You want me to give you a jump?
You gonna give me the head?
Yeah. All right, hold up. I don't know if I had a little extra sauce on that one or not, but man.
It's quick.
I appreciate it, man.
Oh yeah. You have a good one.
Yeah, that sounds good. I love the way it sounds.
Yeah.
You get it spool up and everything.
Only boys an X and more, I might be with you.
The X and more.
Yeah, this is the X and more, so the gear ratio.
Oh, it's real short.
Yeah.
Yeah. Throttle cruising does sound, it's pretty noticeable, just on the tone. But like I said, other than that, it's not a huge difference on sound. So we're gonna change this pipe here. We have this FMF Fatty. First spring, super easy to get off. Second spring, I did pull this off before, and I'm gonna give you a hint. This one comes off without touching the screw. This one, if you back off the screw a little bit, it'll slide right off effortlessly. So let me get an Allen key, do that. Number 5 Allen key. You're welcome. Just go ahead and take your silence off, save you the trouble. It's 2 bolts. You already know how to take it off. Super simple. And that easy. Just that easy. Same thing with this one. Bushings, grommets, and slider in there. Let's get these swapped out. That bolt was not as bad getting in after I get the springs on there. This bolt down here is like, I mean, you can probably see it in the camera. It's not lining up at all. When a bolt doesn't want to go in, you know what to do. I shouldn't have to say anymore. exactly what to do. And this should tearing off. So I rode out to the spot. Initially, I gotta admit, that fatty pipe, wow. It might just be me, my brain psyching myself out.
I forgot I have all that.
Yeah, your front. Yeah, I don't know if it's psyching me out or what, but it definitely feels a lot more mid and low end. You good? I get a lead? But man, that was a good one. Hey! That was a good one. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing. The same thing. Let me pull up a little bit. I get the brake. Are you good?
Yeah.
Good? There you go. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I didn't do a very clear audio representation of both the fatty pipe and the FMF, but like I said, it's louder and I love it. So hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Peace.